Yes, so my people, on a well done. Quick one, I beg. If you dey drive Okada, if they say me you carry them go for Emuhu, that area when they sell casket, maybe they say enter inside. I beg, no enter. Don't buy person put for there right now. It's a beg for your life, for your own safety. If they say me you carry them go that side, you know where they talk now. Where they sell casket before Emuhu, I beg. Because of your life, not go. Because they will say how's the inside. They don't buy person now collect a machine. Now how it be? I beg, because of your safety. Now news won't come out today. Yes, why we they talk am anywhere when it be say they are sketch. Not be because of money. Just they go the area when it be say people dey. Once they say carry me, put inside. Even though say that one person, their gang, they hide. I beg. Because of your safety. I beg, share am, make this video reach your brother. Share am, make this video reach your sister.
Kamani Batman and Kapanga Ama building come up with double money.
So to the other person, they carry buy from and they kill them for here near Emuhu side. Now they see where then they stay. All this place now here then they stay. This just keep human being just like this. See stick with a 10 knocker for head.
This for that side.
They push her enter there. Now people just come now, come there. Now they say to that they do person. Human being, no. Human being. Now they say.
Yesterday, Sunday.
Yesterday. See this building where they are. Now they deceive the bike people. They feel say house there. Nobody there. Or they never build any house for here. Anybody where they carry person come this lonely road. Once they say enter, may just push them down, come out. After, before, if you pass your way, you just as you just they come. Where my video the road well. See the road here. Now here be the place. They come from like this. But if you pass that pure water factory, you see that house there. Now they say now they see that zinc. Now they take the decision. They tell them say house there. Place here. Near where they sell coffee. They say now. They say no wahala, bro. House.
Yes, why we they talk am anywhere when it be say they are sketch. Not be because of money. Just they go the area when it be say people dey. Once they say carry me, put inside. Even though say that one person, their gang, they hide. I beg. Because of your safety. I beg, share am, make this video reach your brother. Share am, make this video reach your sister to save life.